Hey guys, well, check it out. Veseys bulbs and perennials. This is a great company out of Canada, and I've been buying from Veseys for a very long time. I never had a problem with them. So we're gonna unbox something. Papers. And Veseys is out of Prince Edward Island, and I'm over here in Quebec, and I order from them all the time. Never had a problem. This should be 400 of something. It's quite heavy. Ooh, look. One bag, two bags, three bags, four bags, little note paper, and in here is a Veseys bulbs catalog. This is what the muscari is going to look like. They're also called grape hyacinths, and they're supposed to smell like grape juice. So I'm going to interplant those with the daffodils.